pleasure. Anytime you need me, you know that I'm always gonna be here. Whether to sing in your concert or just even to talk to me about anything and everything. I will always be here.
I'm so lucky to have the privilege to just share so many with you. Thank you so much.
It is an honor for me to be in your 15th year anniversary. Like I said, I think you are an amazing singer. You have so many talents. Grabe, you write songs, you play so many instruments, And not only that, you can act. You know? That's a...
Thank you, Miss Reggie!
Magandang combination yun eh, diba? Oo, maarte lang.
Wala akong Miss Reggie. Tingnan mo naman yung aking
Oo, ay,
person.
si Susan at si Amaya natin. Hello!
Miss Reggie, thank you. I actually wanted to also remind everybody of Bisaya man si Miss Reggie.
Bisaya! Uy! Salamat kaayo kay... Ano ba yan? Pinakanta mo ako doon sa Ihila. It's one of my favorite songs of hers. My favorite talaga na namalat ka nakakakanta kasi pajulit-julit ko pinapatugtog yung... Ano ang kanta mo? Yung...
Ano ka? Do you have anything, Christian?
Yung kinanta natin dati.
Ay, yung ano, akin.
Oo, yun.
Akin ka na lang.
Oo, namalat ka din ko. Sa pajulit-julit ko talaga. I love that song.
Me too.
And not only because it was such a great song, I think I loved it because I loved the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs in the end, yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang na kaya ko to.
Thank you, Miss
Eto yun.
Shoutout ko na rin po si Kuya Kiko Salazar, of course.
Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song and you sang it really, really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just wanted to greet you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling. So, and I'm also very happy that your parents are here.
Yeah!
Asa man sila? Asa man? Oo ka na. Oo na. Hindi ay sila. Oy! Hello, oy! Hello!
Actually, beside ko si Miss Rich, sobrang nag-check up on me during those, Mori, okay ka na. Lalo pag may nababasa si Miss Rich, like, Mori, nandito lang ako.
No, because I can relate, you know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakaka-dearing friend. yung mga nakagano'n, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. hindi ako ganong classic friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
Thank you, Mr. Everybody, once again, Miss Regina, last